Welcome to nVent, leaders in global manufacturing. Our factories, strategically located in Europe and India, are fully operational and optimized for maximum capacity. In Italy, we focus on climate control, where our professionals ensure these facilities are a hub of excellence. In our factories, we strive to provide solutions to our clients, offering the best in automation services, climate control mechanisms, and high-quality enclosures. In 2019, we relocated our cabinet manufacturing processes to India, where we also produce to the highest standards. From our factory in Romania, we process, transport, and deliver our painted mild steel products. In Poland, we specialize in the various components of our products, primarily focusing on stainless steel. Our global production network enables us to respond swiftly to market fluctuations, delivering products promptly and meeting customer needs efficiently.